Hello everyone, welcome to JV's IS Academy. This is Harshit Omar, Faculty of History at JV's IS. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to discuss regarding the ancient history on the topic prehistoric period. I have seen many students, बहुत सारे students जो हैं वो confused रहते हैं कि prehistoric period बहुत tough है. Okay. The important thing is your understanding. तो आज हम बात करेंगे प्री हिस्टोरिक पीरियड की. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक फर्स्ट. प्री हिस्टोरिक पीरियड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू दैट हिस्ट्री, एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पीरियड्स. व्हाट आर दोस 3 पीरियड्स? लेट मी टेल यू. History into 3 periods. Now, what are those 3 periods? First, prehistoric. Second is protohistoric period. Third is historic period. Clear? These 3 are the periods. Now, prehistoric period. What do you understand by prehistoric period? Prehistoric period is a journey of a human being from food hunter and gatherer to food producer. Basically, why we call this period as prehistoric period? Because only archaeological evidences are present. No writings have been found during this period. So it is presumed that only art of communication was developed during this period, because archaeological facts are the only evidences. Clear? That means prehistoric period where only archaeological evidences are preserved. No writings have been found during this period, and this period starts from Paleolithic to Neolithic period. From Paleolithic to Neolithic period. Clear? Second thing, protohistoric period, where archaeological evidences are found. Writings are also available, but those writings we are unable to decipher it. That is why this period is called as protohistoric period. We have archaeological evidences, we have writings also, but the writings we are unable to decipher it. That is why this period is called as protohistoric period. And the example of this period is Indus Valley civilization. Writings are there, but we are unable to decipher it. For example, in Indus Valley civilization, which writing style? Boesto-Freden writing style. Clear? From right to left and left to right. Then the third is historic period, and this historic period consists 3 things. First, archaeological evidences. Second thing is literary sources. Third thing, foreign accounts. Foreign accounts. Now, archaeological evidences like Ashokan edicts, pillars, and etc. Literary sources, the most important literature during Mauryan period, Arthashastra, written by Kautilya. Arthashastra. And the third thing, foreign accounts. Indica. Written by whom? Megasthenes. 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 Remember this. Megasthenes, he was the ambassador in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. He was the ambassador of whom? Seleucus Nicator. Clear? So all the three evidences are present from Mauryan period. That is why it is called as historic period. Remember this thing. So there are three groups in history. Clear? Now, the prehistoric period, as I have already told you, that it is the journey of a human being from food hunter and gatherer to food producer. Clear? Now, this prehistoric period can be categorized into three groups or three sub-periods. Those are Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic period. Now, what do you understand by this term Paleolithic? Paleolithic. Now, this paleo, it is a Greek word, and in Greek paleo means old. Old. Lithic, it means stone. That is why this period is known as Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age. And this period starts from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. Okay. And this is the period when the whole earth was covered from ice. That is why this period is also known as Ice Age. Extreme cold conditions, extreme cold weather. Clear? That means in the hilly areas no habitation was there, because flora and fauna cannot survive in extreme cold weather. See, आज अगर आप रशिया देखें, साइबेरियन डेजर्ट, no habitation. Why? Because of extreme climate, polar weather. And at that time, no climate change, no global warming. Okay, that is why Ice Age. This period is called as Ice Age. Clear? But human habitation you will found where? In river valleys. Okay. Stone tools. From here you will find stone tools. Remember this thing. Okay. Now, this Paleolithic period is divided into three parts. This is one of the largest period in ancient history, from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. Now you will find that gradual refine in tool types, which means rough tools. अब ये जर्नी कैसी है? रफ टूल से शुरुआत होगी, then slowly and slowly gradual development will take place and the tools will become sharper. So this is the journey from blunt to sharper tools. This is the period of development. Then heavier to lighter tools. आपने अगर सेलफोन देखे होंगे, जब सेलफोन्स की शुरुआत हुई थी, सेलफोन्स कैसे होते थे? थिक. ओके. आज आप देखिए स्लिम. Why? Because of development, technological development. Clear? Now, Paleolithic period, it is divided into three parts. Lower Paleolithic period, also known as early Paleolithic. Second, middle Paleolithic period. Third, upper Paleolithic period. Clear? Now, let's see. Now, Paleolithic period, you will find here Ice Age. That means extreme cold climate. Clear? Extreme cold climate. That means no inhabitation or no habitation where? In hilly areas. Why? Because of polar weather. अब अगर आज आप इंडिया का मैप देखें, okay, this is just a rough map. Now Himalayas, this side Gangetic, Indo-Gangetic plain, and this is peninsular India, peninsular region. Clear? Himalayas, they protect us from the cold winds coming from the north. Why monsoon? Because of Indo-Gangetic region. This region is more humid than Indus region. Why? Because Himalayas are here. Okay. This side you will find fragmented Himalayas or broken Himalayas. But here you will find the Himalayan ranges. That is why monsoon. Clear? And this peninsular region is important for trade and commerce, ports. अब एंशियंट टाइम में ट्रेड कहां से होती थी? फ्रॉम सदर्न रीजन, पेनिनसुलर रीजन. क्लियर? दैट इज वाई ज्योग्राफी is very important in terms of history. Our history depends upon geography. Our culture depends upon geography. Geography has been played an most important role in interpretation of our history. Clear? Remember this. Now, Ice age, extreme cold climate. That means in hilly areas, no flora and fauna. That means no plants and animals. But the people were there where people started living in the valleys. Valleys means hillocks. Valleys means riverside. That is why you will find all the sites near the rivers. Why? Because of climate. अब एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड हिल के टॉप पे तो बहुत ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम वेदर रहेगा, तो वहां तो हैबिटेशन हो नहीं सकता. इसीलिए कहां पे होगा हैबिटेशन? नियर द रिवर वैलीज. नाउ हियर यू विल फाइंड वैलीज, साइट्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स क्या हैं? इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स आर, यू विल फाइंड कश्मीर वैली, okay, then Sohan Valley. Sohan Valley, this Kashmir Valley is in Pakistan. Sohan Valley, Pakistan, Rawalpindi. Then you, और इस टाइम पीरियड में पूरे इंडिया में साइट्स थी. You will find sites in South India also. South India. Clear? You will find sites in Tamil Nadu. Okay? You will find in northeast also Garo Hills. Garo Hills. You will find sites Maharashtra also. And the most important development in this period, that is stone tools. अब development क्या होगा? Stone tools. Development of stone tools. But raw material अलग होगा. क्यों अलग होगा? इसके पीछे भी ज्योग्राफी ही रीजन है. अब रीजन क्या है? Try to understand. Why geography is the reason? Now, stone tools were there. Raw material in North India. अब raw material क्या मिलेगा North India में? In North India, quartzite. In Maharashtra, basalt is found. Then in South India you will find limestone. But all the sites near river valley only. In UP also, Balan Valley in UP. क्लियर? ये याद रखिएगा. तो ये साइट्स थी. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. दीज आर द साइट्स. कश्मीर वैली, सोहन वैली, ओके. देन महाराष्ट्र, साउथ इंडिया, तमिलनाडु, गारो हिल्स, बेलन वैली, यूपी. दीज आर द साइट्स. These are the sites. Remember this thing. Now that means this Paleolithic age, it evolved humans also. Now how humans? Let's see. Now evolution of human. Humans started as four-footed animals. Then humans became Homo erectus. Okay. Then you will find another development in human's life, that is human became food hunter and gatherer. Clear? And this resulted into development of stone tools, which means humans became tool making animals. Here you will find tool making animal. Okay. And slowly it resulted into art of communication. अब इसके बाद क्या डेवलप होगा? Art of communication. Because humans are the social animal, they cannot live in isolation. Clear? Then the art of communication started. But during this period, no written records are found. Then after art of communication, it is presumed that art of writing. Clear? So this is the thing during prehistoric period. Okay, during especially in Paleolithic period. Clear? अब मैं आपको एक चार्ट बता देता हूं जो बहुत ही इजी है, पूरा दिमाग में आपके बैठ जाएगा. Now try to understand. Now Stone Age, people started living where? In the caves. Their main occupation was food, hunting and gathering. Clear? This resulted into Stone Age. This is the definition of Stone Age. Second, after Stone Age, which age started? Copper. And here in Copper Age you will find, remember this thing, village settlements. Here you will find occupation farming. This was Copper Age. Clear? Third thing, iron. Here you will find towns and cities. Why? Because of trade and commerce here started. And finally it resulted into Iron Age. This is the short summary. Clear? इस तरीके से आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. समझ में आ रहा है? Now, so finally we have discussed Paleolithic period. Okay? And this is the short gist. Okay? अभी हमने सिर्फ Paleolithic समझा है. Now You can see here Paleolithic tools. In Paleolithic period, 5 lakh to 10,000 BC, that is early Paleolithic. Here you will find choppers, clippers, hand axe. They are also known as chopping tools. Clear? Second thing, middle Paleolithic period. Here you will find flake tools. That means here the tools are blunt or rough. Now here slowly sharper. Okay, and here you will find blades and burins. Burins used for drilling. Okay, and skinning of animals, blades. Clear? That means sharper tools. So this is the development from blunt to sharper. Clear? Now so the history classes is going to be started soon, so you can enroll now. Okay, पूरी हिस्ट्री हम पढ़ेंगे चार्ट के फॉर्म में ही, जिससे आपके दिमाग में कॉन्सेप्ट बैठ जाए. समझ में आ रहा है? नाउ तो हम पैलियोलिथिक की बात कर रहे थे. नाउ आफ्टर पैलियोलिथिक एज the transitional period came, that is Mesolithic period. Mesolithic means, meso means middle, lithic stone, also known as middle stone age. Middle stone age. Clear? Now middle stone age, this is the transitional phase between Paleolithic and Neolithic period. Now what is the most important development during this period? So let me tell you, the rise in temperature, that means warm conditions. Here warm conditions started. Clear? Now warm conditions, that means ice age was there. Now the glaciers started melting. अब जैसे ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट करेंगे उतने ही ज्यादा क्या होंगे? Now ice started melting. This resulted into formation of rivers. अब जितनी ज्यादा रिवर्स होंगी, रिवर से क्या होता है? फर्टाइल सॉइल. फर्टाइल सॉइल. And slowly you will find settlements. Clear? That is why this period is known as transitional period. Clear? So here you will find melting of ice. Man was still in the phase of hunting and gathering. Okay, but during this phase man started killing the small animals, not bigger animals. Clear? Sharper tools were there. Okay, इस पीरियड में इंसान स्मॉलर एनिमल्स को मारेंगे, स्मॉल एनिमल्स. समझ में आ रहा है? ये ध्यान रखना. Now during this period, that is why this period is called as transitional period. Now अब मैंने आपको बताया melting of ice, formation of rivers, it resulted into fertile soils. तो जितनी ज्यादा रिवर्स, और रिवर से कौन सा ऑक्यूपेशन आएगा? फिशिंग. Okay, remember this thing. Because of melting of ice, formation of rivers, here you will find the evidence of fishing and some domestication of animals like cattle. समझ में आ रहा है? ये याद रखिएगा. And then here the use of microlith. Microlith means small stone tools. Now small stone tools were there. That is why अब humans किसके पीछे जाएंगे? Small animals. क्लियर? अब एक ऑक्यूपेशन और आ गया है, फिशिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? ये ध्यान रखना. देन हियर यू विल फाइंड रॉक पेंटिंग्स. नाउ स्लोली एंड स्लोली आर्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेंटिंग्स. अब इंसान अपनी बातें कैसे समझाएगा लोगों को? पेंटिंग्स के थ्रू. सो यू विल फाइंड रॉक पेंटिंग्स फाउंड एट भीमबेटका नियर भोपाल. इट इज इन MP. Important site. And then growth of rock art will be more refined. अब जितनी भी आर्ट्स आएंगी वो और रिफाइंड होती जाएंगी, डेवलपमेंट होगा. समझ में आ रहा है, ये याद रखिएगा. So this is the Mesolithic period. Now here you can see important sites. Now in entire India there were sites from Mesolithic period, from north to south and east to west. So you can see here important sites. Langnaj, it is in Mehsana, Gujarat. These are the important sites. Bhimbetka, very important site. Evidence of painting, first evidence of painting in Bhimbetka. Okay. Then Chopani Mando near Allahabad in Belan Valley, UP. Then Birbhanpur in West Bengal. Then Sanganalaku in Karnataka and Tuticorin in southern Tamil Nadu. So these are the important sites. समझ में आ रहा है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स हैं. क्लियर. देन you can see these images, sharper tools. Okay, these were the tools during Mesolithic period. You can see here triangle, trapeze, and the most important thing during Mesolithic period, geometrical tools. The tools were geometrical in shape. You can see trapeze, blades, triangle. Okay, you can see here. You can see here microlith, small tools, geometric tools. Okay, this as an arrow, crescent shape like teeth. Okay, so these are geometrical tools during Mesolithic period. Remember this thing. Clear. Now slowly and slowly, so now Mesolithic period around 10,000 BC. Now slowly and slowly this period transformed into Neolithic phase. Neolithic phase, you can see here, Neolithic means new stone age. New stone age. Clear. Now new stone age, here you will find ground and polished tools, more development. अब यहां आपको कैसे टूल्स मिलेंगे? Polished tools. Ground means grinding. Tools will be used for grinding the things. Okay. Then here you will find celt. Celt का मतलब होता है stone axe, polished stone. Clear. Then here man was evolving and initially heavy tools were there. Now during this period you will find lighter tools. अब यहां पे human beings ने क्या डेवलपमेंट किया? Lighter tools were evolved. Okay. Then man, at that time man was called as tool making animal because of development. And then here you can see beginning of rock art. Okay, so this was the development during Neolithic period. That means the foundation was ready for the further progress and civilization. Now you can see here, from here the evidence of agriculture activities also. From here evidence of domestication of animals. From here grinding and polishing stone tools having sharper edges. The tools will be more sharper and lighter, and polished tools. Then use of potteries. Why potteries? यहां आप देख सकते हैं एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज स्टार्टेड. अब एग्रीकल्चर से जो ग्रेन्स आएगा कहां स्टोर करोगे? पॉटरीज में. दैट इज व्हाई यू विल फाइंड हियर यूज ऑफ पॉटरी. क्लियर. एंड इन दिस पीरियड इटसेल्फ evidence of rice was also found. From where? Koldihwa in Uttar Pradesh. First evidence of rice in 5500 BC. Evidence of rice. From where? Koldihwa, UP, near Belan Valley. समझ में आ रहा है? तो कहा जाता है कि वर्ल्ड में सबसे पहले राइस कहां पे मिला था? कोल्डिवा. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. ओके. तो ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स, इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स हैं किसके, नियोलिथिक पीरियड के। नाउ साइट्स क्या क्या थी, नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रीजन मेहरगढ़, ओके, विच इज द क्लासिक साइट इन कच्छ प्लेन ऑफ बलूचिस्तान। मेहरगढ़ कहां पे है, प्रेजेंट डे पाकिस्तान, दैट इज बलूचिस्तान, ओके। देन here you will find the evidence of houses also built by Neolithic people. Now what is the most important architecture in evidence houses? Here you will find people, they were living in underground houses or dwellings. Why? Now the question here is why? To protect themselves. समझ में आ रहा है, प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, ये याद रखिएगा। सो दिस वॉज द मेन फीचर। देन अब हाउसेज में कौन सा रॉ मटेरियल यूज होता था, सन ड्राइड ब्रिक्स। यू कैन सी हियर सन ड्राइड ब्रिक्स, दिस वॉज द मेन मटीरियल। देन हाउसेज वर डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉल रूम्स, this was the feature. Then evidence of cultivation of crops also like wheat, barley, cotton were discovered, and ragi was first discovered in South India. Ragi was discovered in South India, remember this thing. And important sites in Kashmir Valley also like Barzahom, okay. There was a tradition that animals will be buried with their masters. That was a tradition in Kashmir. So these are the evidences. UPSC ने काफी बार, एक दो बार क्वेश्चन पूछे भी हैं, तो आपको ये मेन फीचर्स ध्यान रखने हैं बस, दैट्स इट। समझ में आ रहा है, इतना टफ नहीं है। आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए, अब जितना भी आइस एज से शुरू हुआ, अब क्लाइमेट क्या होता जाएगा, वार्म। अब क्लाइमेट धीरे धीरे चेंज होता जाएगा, वार्मर। समझ में आ रहा है, ये याद रखिएगा। एंड जैसे ही क्लाइमेट चेंज होगा तो ह्यूमंस का लिविंग स्टाइल, पैटर्न, सोसाइटी भी चेंज होगी, ये याद रखना। सो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स, ओके। सो दीज वर द शार्पर टूल्स। नाउ इन नियोलिथिक पीरियड, शार्पर टूल्स, समझ में आ रहा है, शार्पर टूल्स। Clear? Now that is why Neolithic period, okay, from Paleolithic period to Neolithic period, okay. अब डेवलपमेंट कैसे हुआ समझिएगा, ओवरऑल मैं आपको जिस्ट बता रहा हूं, ध्यान से समझिएगा। नाउ मैन स्टार्टेड एज hunter and gatherer, clear? Then ice started melting, this resulted into formation of rivers, अब रिवर से क्या होगा, कल्टीवेशन ऑफ क्रॉप्स, cultivation, plants and domestication of animals. Clear? Clear? Now food security will be there, and because of this you will find increase in population, and this increase in population led to the village settlement. Remember this thing. That means from Paleolithic to Neolithic the progress has been made. Now because of this development, now अब पूरा फाउंडेशन बन चुका है। नाउ द डेवलपमेंट, नाउ द इंडिया इज रेडी टू मेड अ फर्दर प्रोग्रेस। एंड इसी के बाद आप देखेंगे एक सबसे बड़ा प्रोग्रेस इंडिया में, दैट इज अर्बनाइजेशन. कैसे अर्बनाइजेशन? इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, दैट इज चैल्कोलिथिक पीरियड. And this Chalcolithic period starts from 3000 BC and this is also known as Copper Age. Copper Age, discovery of copper. Okay, discovery of copper, and this resulted into most important civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization. Now the culture has changed. Culture change हो गया. अब क्या आ गया? Because of these developments विलेज बने, विलेज से क्या हुआ? टाउन्स बने, एंड टाउन से क्या बन गया? सिविलाइजेशन. एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस पीरियड इज कॉल्ड एज फर्स्ट अर्बनाइजेशन इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री. फर्स्ट अर्बनाइजेशन. क्लियर? तो ये तरीका होता है पढ़ने का, कनेक्टिविटी के साथ, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. समझ में आ रहा है? ऐसे ही पूरा कनेक्टिविटी के साथ हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे. ओके, पूरी कनेक्टिविटी के साथ हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे. दिस विल बी द वे टू अंडरस्टैंड द हिस्ट्री. दिस शुड बी द वे टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्रोनोलॉजिकल थिंग्स इन हिस्ट्री. क्लियर? ओके, तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. तो हमने प्री हिस्टोरिक पीरियड से फर्स्ट अर्बनाइजेशन तक की पूरी जर्नी को समझ लिया. क्लियर? सो आई होप आपको ये चीजें समझ में आई होंगी. ओके, एंड जतिन वर्मा एकेडमी JVIS is going to launch their history course, so you can enroll now, okay, for more interesting videos, okay, for more interesting lectures. So thank you.